In this video, we are going to discuss about the complex number. First, we know why complex number is important and why we need to know about complex number. First of all, we consider an equation. Suppose that an equation is x square plus 1 equals to 0. Can we solve it in the form of real numbers? No, never. We cannot solve it in the form of real numbers. To solve such types of equation, we need the help of complex number. That's why complex number is important. We are going to discuss it deeply. First of all, we are going to discuss about the definition. A symbol of the form Z equals to A plus IB, where A belongs to the set of all real numbers and B belongs to the set of all real numbers, and also I is equal to under root of minus 1 is called a complex number. We can also this denoted also by Z equals to first bracket, that is an ordered pair. Ordered pair. Z equals to A plus IB is the form of a complex number, where A is RE Z, that is the real part of the Z, and B is IM Z, that is imaginary portion of the Z, that is imaginary Z. Since Z is represented by an unordered pair in a coordinate system, then we consider a line along y-axis and x-axis. This is called real line and this is imaginary line. Okay, this is O. This be the point whose coordinate is A comma B, x y. This plane is called the complex plane. So what is the complex plane? Complex plane is such a plane where complex numbers are situated in the coordinate system in 2 dimensions. Now we are discussing about the properties. Number 1, complex number does not obey order property. That is, if we take a complex number of the form A plus IB and we take another complex number of the form C plus ID, then we cannot say that this number is greater or less than this, because this is undefined. Because it does not make any sense. We cannot say that a plus ib is greater than or less than c plus id. In example, 9 plus 6i greater than 3 plus 2i. It does not make any sense. Does not make any sense. It does not make any sense. Now we are discussing about the property number 2. That is also very important for us. Let us take an real number. Let a be a such real number taken from the set of all real numbers. Can we represent it in the form of a complex number? Yes, we can. That is, a is equal to I into multiplied by 0. That means we can say that any real number can be represented as a complex number by multiplying a 0 with the imaginary portion. So we can say that every real number is considered but is represented by a complex number. So we can say that the set of all real numbers is a proper subset of the set of all complex numbers. A set of all real numbers is a proper subset of a set of all complex numbers. Property number 3. Property number 3 implies that imaginary portion mz equals to 0 if it is purely real, and Rez is equals to 0 if it is purely imaginary. We will discuss about these two things in the next class. That's the end from today's class.